Hey guys, what are y'all doing? How are y'all doing? Or how is y'all day going? OMG, y'all can see like all my imperfections. Like my camera is like clear, crispy clear, and obviously I got my ring light in. Oh my god, y'all can see that little circle right here and then the other little circle right here. I am amazed. I hope this video comes out perfectly perfect because right now it just looks amazing. And that's the okay, I can go a little bit more higher. I'm so excited. Oh my god, like I have never ever got my videos looking like this. I hope this is way better quality for y'all because I already ordered my mic. I just need to go get my adapter for my iPhone, and my mic should be here for next week, so everything will be perfect. If the lighting looks perfect right now, and then the sound quality will be perfect in my live videos and on my videos and everything, girls, I'm gonna be the most happiest YouTuber of all times. Like, so happy. So ooh, let me know what do y'all think if this video looks way better quality than my other videos, because I am still working on it. Like literally, I really want this to work. Like, so I was working on my other ring light. I told you I did a DIY ring light. That's what I have on right now. And I have my ring light that I ordered from Amazon. So I do have two packages today. The mailman just came in when, well, FedEx delivered my ring light and USPS delivered two packages. So it's like Christmas time for me. So I'm gonna do Shop Miss A first. So if y'all want to see what I got on my Shop Miss A, it is really exciting because it's a small haul, but still I have all the new products. Well, half of the new products from Shop Miss A. So if you want to see the quality and how they look, then just keep on watching. Obviously, we got the creepy A2O bag. I wish they'd do it pink. Okay, so I did order all their new blushes, their new highlighters, their lip scrubs, and whatever new they have on the AOA line, I got it. I already placed the order for the blushes. As I told y'all yesterday, I placed an order for, I don't remember what else is new. Whatever's new on Shop Miss A, I have it. I already ordered the highlighters. This is the first video that's going to go up. And it's just a little small package like this because it's like $10. I had to pay shipping because I did not have to order anything else. Oh, I did order their sponges. Sorry for all the noise. I ordered the AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Press Powder in Banana and Translucent. I was going to order another colored one because I was skeptical. Like, I really wanted one of the colored powders, but then when you look at their swatches, like, they're dark. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh my god, it looks so amazing. Y'all can see everything so perfectly. So this is the translucent one, and it says translucent in the back. And how many grams is this? So the ingredients is talc, so obviously it's gonna give you a big huge flashback since the first ingredient. It is talc, synthetic for girl. I don't think you can see the I'm sorry, I'm still trying to figure out how this is going to work, but obviously oh, this is soft. It is just translucent. It does seem like it has a white tint to it, but I hope it's translucent. So this is what it looks like on my hand. So it does seem like it has a little white sheen to it, so it's gonna ghost you out just a little bit. So if maybe it'll make your foundation look a little bit lighter, but maybe with some setting spray it'll, you know, blend in and melt into your skin. But by the seams of it, it does give you a little bit tiny bit of whiteness to your skin. I guess if you're pale, this is going to be perfect for you. But if you're a deeper, darker skin, Maybe it's gonna have a white kind of thing on your face. So I hope with a setting spray it'll melt in. Oh, it is 0.28 ounces or 8 grams. You do get a pretty much a good amount of product in here for $1. How is it gonna work? I do not know until Monday, because I'm gonna be testing out this on Monday. So if y'all want me to do a video on a review on this, let me know in the comments below and I will go ahead and do it. But that one's that, and I ordered banana, and banana seems like it's not that banana color. It seems like the beigey kind of color, and this is how it looks like. But for me, it seems like beige color. It does not look like a banana color. Obviously, it's going to brighten up your under eye like big time. Okay, so I had to turn on my lights for a second because my lights are off in the room. It seems like if I turn on my lights and it looks yellow and everything, so only ring lights. Yeah, it does look like a banana color. I'm sorry, like behind these ring lights, it looks beige color, but when you see it in the light, it is banana. I'm sorry, guys. But it does seem like it's gonna brighten up your under eye. I really enjoy banana colors. I feel like it does brighten up my eye a lot. So I ordered, I think they have 6 of them, but I got 4 of their halo highlighters. Yeah. So, oh, this one came cracked, but it looks like this. And this one is in the shade Blissful. It's gonna be better than the their regular AOA Bake highlighters. It does look like this. This is the shade right here. It does have like a, oh wow, these are super pigmented. Wow, I think these show, and I haven't, they're so soft. They're soft. They feel really, really creamy and soft. I think these have a better formula than their old AOA highlighters. But girls, it has like a rosy tint to it. So that one is Blissful. The next one I do have, it is called Amore. And Amore just looks like this. It looks like super, super pinky with white. And this is how it looks like. Oh yeah, this is too pink. See, the other ones, I felt like they were too dark, and this one is kind of too pink. I don't know, maybe I could pull it off, but this is Amore. It is Allure, and it does come with this little thingy. And it looks like this. It looks kind of like a light brown kind of color. It kind of reminds me of a marble. But Allure, it is a little bit more of the browner with the white hint to it. And all of them seems like they're really creamy and really soft. And I have not even scraped the top layer on none of them. So this is Allure right here. Kind of reminds me of this one on top, but this one has a rosy tint to it. This one has a little bit more of a brown tint to it. And the last one, it is in Sunstone. Sunstone, it's just catch my attention like super quick. I think if you have a tan to a deeper skin tone, this is gonna be amazing for you. Like, this is a true gold. It's like a brown tint with, you know, instead of white, it is gold. Like, this is such a precious, precious highlighter, guys. Like, big time. And it is super soft. And it just looks like this, a true gold. I think if you're a super deep skinned, a little bit deeper than tan, I think this is going to be a perfect, beautiful, beautiful highlighter for you. Like, hello, look at that. I think maybe this is gonna be a little bit too dark. Maybe it'll look yeah, you're gonna be able to see that big old gold stripe right there. But I think if I try to blend it in, this is gonna be, pretty good. But I think, see, I have a kind of tan hand right here. So if you're tan to deep skin, this is gonna look so beautiful on you, because this is a true gold, and it has like little specks of gold glitter. I don't want to say glitter, but you can see that gold hue to it, like little type of, I don't want to say glitter actually, but that's kind of what it looks like. Um, it's such a beautiful color. It blends into your skin so good, girls. Like if you have, like I said, if you have a tan to a deep skin tone, mostly if you have a deeper skin tone, it's gonna look so beautiful on you. I think this one or more is gonna be a perfect highlight for a lighter skin tone than a medium skin tone. I think if you have a pale to kind of medium skin, maybe you can pull this one off. I think this one is gonna look perfect on me. It is just amazing. I know they had two more, but the other one looked super deep and the other one looked more like a blush. So that's why I ended up with four. But these halo highlighters, guys, oh my god, they are super soft. I think these are softer than their regular AOA bake highlighters. I know the other ones, I had a trouble and hassle with them because I had to scrape the top layer off, and still on some of them it is super hard to work with them. But I think these these four are amazing. I mean, I don't know about this one because this one is gonna, I guess I'm not gonna reach too much to it, but at the same time, you can use these as eyeshadows. You don't have to use them exactly for highlighters. But like I said, my favorite one is this one right here, the gold one. I'm always looking for a beautiful gold highlighter. It seems like I tend to reach more for gold highlighters. But if you want to, try new colors, and you don't want to break the bank right there, these are super good, guys. These are super good. I think they're worth $1, and you get the same product as the other one. You get 8 grams. Same thing as the pressed powders. If y'all want to see a review on that one, let me know in the comments below. But like I said, this is gonna give you a major flashback. This one is the first ingredient. It is talc, and it seems like both of them have the same ingredients. So yeah, like I said, the first ingredient on this one, it is talc. So if you don't mind the flashback, because I don't take that much pictures, but obviously when I'm recording, now that I have so many ring lights, this is gonna give me a major flashback. I hope that you never know, but the shelf life on these are 12 months right here. So if you don't want to reach for them, or you think you're not gonna reach for them that much, don't worry, girls, these do have a 12-month shelf life, so these are gonna last you a whole year. And obviously there are cruelty free. AOA, it is cruelty free. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to bring y'all these few items that I got just for y'all, because some of y'all wanted me to review this so bad. So that is my opinion. I think these highlighters are way more better than the regular AOA things. So if you want to go ahead and try them out, they're still available in stock, and you already know they ship worldwide, I believe. So guys, that is pretty much it on these highlighters and pressed powders. If you have any questions, you already know, leave them on the comments below. And yeah, guys, I hope this video was very helpful for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy the swatches. And I hope this lighting, it is way better. As soon as I get my mic, everything will be fine. If this lighting, it is better than what usually is. Please let me know in the comments below, what do y'all think. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. If y'all, like I said, if y'all have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And this video will be going up as soon as I'm done recording the other unboxing that I have. And yeah, guys, I'll go ahead and see y'all on my next Shop Miss A haul. And I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend wherever you are. And I'll go ahead and see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.